Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach in between these two selected date, sales detail should be displayed. Now here I am going to display the date. Here I am going to display here 2019 December date, and select 2019 December 1, right? And here I am going to select as January 1st, right? This January 1st, these two selected date, what is the sales going on. If you click find button, you will be able to see the sales. These are the order details. So order ID, shipping ID, shipped, right? These are the details, right? Now if you are selecting only the for here December 1st to, we have to select December. You have to select December 10th. What is the sales going on? You can find a simple filter like this, right? These are the very simple one you can easily find, right? Here you have to select until the December 31 and click find. Here these are the sales, right? The very simple one you have to make using Jasper report. We have called the Jasper report inside the panel, right? Now let's see how to do this system step by step, right? Now let's close it. Now here first what I am going to do is here go to the file, new project, select Java application, click next. If it is checked create a main class, you have to uncheck it. Here I am going to create the project name as date Jasper. I just give the date Jasper, right? I just give the name as date Jasper, click finish. Right. Now your project has been created successfully with the name of date Jasper. Here this one, right? Your date created successfully. Now other projects I am going to close it, right? Your date Jasper. Now first what I am going to do is we have to expand the project. We have two folders, source package and libraries. First I am going to add the libraries folder, right? First I am going to add the libraries. So we have to add two libraries. One is a MySQL library we have to add it. Another thing is a Jasper jar files we have to add it, right? So let's go to the Google. You have to type here MySQL connector for Java. This is the connector which we use to connect the Java and MySQL database, right? So here first you have to select this one, click here, it goes to the relevant website for the download. Here you have click this link to download the MySQL connector zip file, right? The second link, right? If you click, it goes to the different website for download. Here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click the below link, no thanks, just my download. If you click on the link, your download has been started below the taskbar. You just cancel it because I have already downloaded and put it on my E drive. So first I am going to go to my project. I have to add those libraries, add those jar files into my libraries. So right click, add jar folder. Here where I download the file and put into my E drive. So MySQL connector. After downloaded, it is the folder become a MySQL connector. This is the after download your file look like this, right? MySQL connector, right? This like, okay. If you open it, these are the two jar files we have to add into the library. So select or on the control key down and select both, click open, right? It successfully added the library successfully here, these two files, right? After that we have to do the another thing is we have to add the jar files. This is must, jar files. Jar files mean Jasper report jar files, right? So go to the Google, you have to type Jasper report jar download, right? Jasper report download. If you are type like this, this is the second link. Download Jasper report jar 6.3.0 with all dependents. You click on the link, and if you click on the link, it goes to different website for download. Here this is the button where you want to download, right? If you click on this link, your jar file, all jar file will be downloaded here. So here I just cancel it because I already download these jar files. So that also I have put into my E drive. That file also I have to include in my library. So let's select the library folder, right click, add jar folder. Here we have to browse the location where you downloaded. I downloaded in and put my E drive. So here we have to get them, jar files, select first one, click here, hold on the shift key down and select all and open it. Right, you first make sure all the jar files added the library successfully or not. Here it's added all the jar files successfully, it's no problem. Now first what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to here. First we have to add the create the form first, right? So go to the source package, inside the source package there will be the default package. I am going to create, right click, new Java package. I am going to create the new package as report. I just take the package as report, right? You can give any name of the package name, I just give as a report, right? After that select this one, right click, new JFrame form. Here I am going to create date Jasper. I just give the project name as task name date Jasper, click finish. Otherwise you can give as sales product or something like you can give, right? Any class name you can give. I just give the example look name like this, right? Okay, you can give any name, right, you want, right? I just increase the size of the form look like this. Now first what I am going to do is here, first I am going to go to do the stuff. First stuff is drag one label, this one first label, second label, right? After that I have to get to date chooser, right? Date chooser, right? If you when you install the NetBeans, it is not coming automatically. You have to download these two jar files, right? Sorry, not this date chooser, right? You have to download them, right? How to download is you just go to the Google and you have to type JCalendar, JCalendar jar. Okay, you have down there's a first link. You click on this one, JCalendar, right? You just go and type JCalendar, right? These are the things. Okay, these are all the things are available on here, right? So you just click and download zip and extract and you have to import the libraries. It automatically comes, right? You have to add these plugins to your NetBeans. It's automatically coming, right? It's automatically, you have to, after download and you have to import into your plugin, right? Okay, here go to the tool and add as a plugin. Like here is a plugin, you can add them, right? Okay, after download it, go to the tools, plugin. Here you add those plugin to your NetBeans. It is automatically it is taken and it's work, right? Yeah, you have to include, right? So that's a thing you have to write. Okay, here you have to get here, right? So that's the thing you have to get the date chooser on the palette look like this. Okay, now after that what I am going to see here, we have to select the label, edit here from date, here second one should be the start date, sorry, this is the end date, otherwise from to, right? You have to select from to date, from date to date, that right, to date, that in between what is the sales date, right? We have to choose here, right? That's the thing we have to write. Now first what I am going to do is here first I am going to right, this is a date, right? After that what I am let's select them and we have to increase the size of the font little bit. We have to increase font, these two labels, right? Select this one, this hold on the control key down and select these two labels. Properties, font property we have to select as bit bold 12, right? Perfect, right? Now what I am going to do is here, we have to do the task is, right, we have to drag one panel on the form, right? So we drag one panel, this is a panel, you have to drag here, right? You drag one panel here, right? Okay, this is a panel. Select this panel, right click, properties, border property, we have to select as soft bevel border, click OK, right? Close it. This is the thing we have to write. Okay, now select the form, right click, properties, code, generate center, close it, right? Now let's run and check how it's work. Right, its work look like this, right? Its work look like that, like this. Now here we have to increase the size of the things, right? So you have to get the size little bit, right? perfect, right? Now let's run and check. Perfect. Now you can get the date here, right? Here get the date simply, right? Now what I'm going to do is here, first I'm going to go to the MySQL database, right? So MySQL data. So you have to, I already installed the SAM server in my machine. If you are not installed the SAM server, you must install, and you have to create the database. So I created the database as here. You have to create here B Cafe. This is the database I created. This is the inside the database I have created the table records. This is the structure of that. So all the structure, integer, order ID, order date, shipping ID. This is a simple database I have created. These are the fields I am going to insert, right? Order, this is ID, order ID, order details, ship ID, ship name, right? This is a simple one, right? Now here, based on the date, we have to identify the sales. What is the sales we are going? What is the order sales and ship also going on, right? So first what I am going to do is here, back to my project, right? First I need one button for also here, right? So here first this one should be the find button. We have named it as find, right? Okay. Now first what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the source. We have to add the connection project. You have to, this is the your class name, this is the constructor. After the constructor we have to write the connection object, okay, connection con, right? You have to add the namespace. Second one, not first one, Java import for java.sql connection, right? Second one you have to add as prepared statement, PST, right? Perfect. Now let's add the namespace here, right? Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to add the database connection here. So you have to write public void, you have to write connect, you have to write connect, you have to write the connection, you have to add the connection. So here you have to write, first we have to register the MySQL driver here. So you have to write class dot for name. You have to write the register the driver. First you have to write com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver, right? Now here you have to add the try and catch here, right? After that you have to write here is con equal driver manager dot get connection. You have to provide the URL here. Inside the here you have to provide the your MySQL database reside on where? My MySQL database reside on localhost. So localhost, this is the name of the database, right? This is the name. So you have to write here. First you have to write JDBC. You have to write here is JDBC colon MySQL colon. You have to write localhost colon, you have to write the database name here, B Cafe. This is my database, B Cafe is my database, right? B Cafe is my database, right? So that's the thing. After that you have to write the user credential. You have to write username and password. When you install the SAM server, default username will be root, default password will be blank, right? So you have to do, right? So you have to, this is the username will be root, password will be blank, right? You have to write properly like this, right? Simple. You have to add the catch also, right? Now error go away. The function Ctrl C to copy, you have to paste inside the component, right? This is a constructor of the class. When the constructor is loaded, this connection method should be loaded, right? Very simple one, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to create the Jasper report. So let's select the report package, right click, new, report wizard, select a template as blank A4, next, keep this one default name, right? Next, here we have to load the table, right? So click new, database JDBC connection, next, we have to, I just give as a report name, I just give as report, Here you have to provide this is a JDBC driver, which driver you are connected. I am connected as a MySQL, so this is the MySQL com. This is the driver you are registered. You have to write like this. After that, name of the database. What is the name of the database? This is the name, right? B Cafe, right? You have to write here is B Cafe, right? This is a user credential. You have to write. Root is a username, password blank, right? So you have to test whether it's correct or not. Connection successfully saved, right? Now here design the query. Okay. Double click on get all the fields of the table. Click OK. For the next, I need all the fields. Next, finish. Right. This is the blank report, right? Now first what I am going to do is here, go to the report inspector here, fields, you have to drag the fields, right? First report, you have to drag and drop here, details. Right. I need this one, you have to arrange them. Right, perfect, right? Now here we add the columns, right? So here we have to write like this, you have to put here, first you have to write order ID, this one should be the order ID, you have to write order ID. Right, perfect, right? Select this one. We have to 14 bold, right? You have to arrange like this, right? Now here after that you have to write second one the same heading. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to get another one. You have to, this one should be second one should be the shipping ID. What is the database? Other fields. Order that we know needed. Ship ID and ship name. Ship ID. Double click on this one. Ship ID. After the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Get it here. This one should be the ship name. Right? We have to these are the called as column adders. You just copy and write. It's very simple one. You have to make like this. This is the data you have to drop here. Second one ship ID. You have to. This is the data, right? You drop here. This is heading. You have to remove it. We don't need them. You have to put it here. Third one should ship name. You have to drag and drop here. This heading we don't need, right? So let's remove it, right? This is a very simple one. You have to write here. Okay. Now here, now let's get a preview of that. What is the results look like? This is a result. Now here we need there are many spaces available. So we have to put one line. So click on the line tool. So just click and drag. You have to get the line like this. Simple. Alright, you have to get the line like this, right? This line, click on this one. We have to go to the property pen. This is the pen. Here we have to select this one. Click OK. Right, perfect. Now we have to go to the preview. Click OK. Preview look like this. Simple, right? Now here go to the designer. Now here we have to write the heading. So how to write the heading is we have to drag one this one. So static text you have to drag and drop here. You have to write order details. Right. Select this one. Here we have to select the 1024. This one. Here we have to write. We have to change the heading as ADL. This one, right? We have to write like this. Perfect. Right. This is the thing we have to write. Right. This is the heading. Right. Very simple one. You have to design the. You get the time and you have designed the report. Right. You can get the more professional report. Right. So you have to get the here. It's a very professional report. You can get it here. For the sales here, very simple one. So now what I am going to say, I am going to attach the report into my phone, right? So here inside the frame, right? So first what I am going to do is here, I have to pass two parameters on this order details. So how to write pass two parameters is go to the designer, click on this one, right? Here I am going to date. Okay, I have to from date to date. In between that date, what is the sales happen, we have to find. Okay, that is my question. So what to do is here you have to write where close. You have to write where close. This is your all data should be selected, right? All the data from which table, records table, where you have to write the column. Which column? Here you have to select this one, record order date. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. Equal, sorry, not equal. So where we have to write another thing is the order date between. You have to write the keyword between. Between. You have to write between, right? Where this order date between, we have to write the dates, right? So first one I am going to write here is you have to create the new parameter. This one should be the from d mean date. This first parameter I am going to add from date, from d mean date, right? After that I am going to add another one is a to date, 2d, right? 2d mean to date, right? So first from date you have to add here. After that you have to write and you have to add the and the date and you have to write second one. This is the query we have to write. Okay. Select all from this all the fields from records table where records order date between from date and to date. Okay. Okay. This between these two dates, what is the sales happen? We have to find it, right? This is the formula you have to write. This is the simple query we have to write to identify the data, right? So we have to click OK. Right. I have wrote successfully. Now what I am going to do is here. Now let's get the preview here. It's coming successfully, right? Okay, you have tested successfully. Now let's go to the code here. You have to write there, right? So first select the go to the source. We have to write the code for that. So you have to write here is first you have to write public. You have to write the public function public void load report. You have to write load report, right? Load report. So you have to write here. Here first you have to write as first you have to write simple. You have to write the date. You have to write the dates, right? So these two date picker we have to assign to the relevant variable. So how to assign the relevant variable is you have to write simple date format. You have to write from date. Date format. You have to write here is we have to create here is object date format, right? This is a dot format one we have to create here is I need two date formats, right? New the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. Here we have to write the format, right? Format is must, right? How the format is works, year, after that month it should be the capital. This is simple, right? This is how you have to write, right? After that you have to add the namespace here, right? It's correct. Now what I am going to do is after that you have to write string from date f date equal, you have to write Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, dot format. You have to write this one, this name, text box name. You have to this one you have to name it as txt f date. This one txt t date, right? Now you have to write here txt f date dot get text get date. You have to write get date, right? What's the date you have selected? You have to put into this variable, right? Okay, this format it's getting the if and what's the date you have selected, you're getting this format, year, month, date, and you have to put into this variable, right? What's the date, right? The same thing you have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one should be the this we have to change the D2. This will D2 format. Here also to date, if date to date. Here we also this one should be the t date, txt t date, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do is here we have to write the hash map variable. I am create object. I am going to create a hash map object A equal new hash map. Right here we have got a dot, so you have to implement the namespace After that you have to write a dot put. You have to write here is first one should be the you have to what is parameter you are passing here. You have to give the name here. Sorry, not here, this one. Go to the designer. These two parameters from D to D, right? So we have to put it here from D. What is the name you are given? Same name you are write here. Then only this parameter should be set here. But you have to set first one from D should be set here. This one, F date. Okay. What's the date you are selected here? It is set it here to put it this parameter, right? It goes. Same thing. Control C copy. Same Control V to paste here. This one should be 2D, right? This 2D. Control C copy. Control V to paste. These two are set into the parameters, right? So it's work, right? After that, we have to write here is a first one should be we have to set the panel J. What's the panel? This one, panel J panel 1. First we have to write J panel 1 dot remove the dot remove all. After that we have to write J panel. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. Dot prepaint. After that you have to write JPanel dot revalidate. After that you have to write Jasper design, J design equal, you have to write J RX ML loader dot load. Here you have to specify the URL, right? You have to specify the URL. So what is the URL? You have to specify the URL of the report, right? This is the report URL. So select this one. Here this is the right. Here select, here right click, properties. You have to get here as well. This is the URL of the report. Control C to copy. You have to paste inside the report here. Sorry. You have to, before that you have to write here, you have to remove the line, put two double quotation, inside the double quotation you have to paste it. Now you have to end with the colon print. Now it's right. Now this is not an error. You have to import this namespace and you have to import the try catch with try catch block. Right, that's it. Now the error go away. Very simple one. You have to write path, you have to set properly, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to add the Jasper report. The Jasper report, you have a J report. You have to create the object J report equal Jasper compile manager dot compile report. You have to write here is a J design. This J design, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. You have to throw into the Jasper report. Right. Here also we have to add the just namespace. Right, simple. That's the thing we have to write. After that you have to write Jasper print. So you have to write Jasper print. Jasper print. You have to write J print equal Jasper fill manager dot fill report. You have to write here is this one, right? First you have to write J report. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. The A mean this A, put this A. Connection mean this database connection object, right? This connection. What is the connection where the database reside on? You have to put those, right? That's the thing you have to write. You have to add this namespace, right? Perfect. After that you have to write JR viewer. You have to object create V equal. You have to write new JR viewer. Here we have to throw this J print. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that we have to write JPanel 1. You have to add the namespace also. JPanel 1 dot set layout, new border layout. Here also you have to add the layout namespace. After that you have to write JPanel 1 dot add. We have to add the panel into this the panel, add the panel into this Jasper viewer. This object you have to add here. That's the thing you have to write. Very simple one. You have made it. After done the stuff, what you are going to do is here, you have to go to the report, this file, report design file. Here go to the XML. You have to remove the language. This is this language, you have to remove it. Then only it should work. Okay, defaultly coming this language, you have to select and press delete key in your. After delete the language, go to the report and you have to run clean build project. You have to build it. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, after build that, you have to run the project and check. Run. Now let's check. Here this is the from date. I am going to select the date as December 2019 1 to December 1 2009 to today date, right? So click find. Here this is the date, it should be successfully displayed, right? Now if you find it here as December 10 19 December 10, click find. This is the sales. If it is December 31, this is the first sales, right? Okay, this is the sales, right? It is displayed successfully, right? Selected date, right? One of my friend asked to do the program in Jasper report using 2 dates, between 2 days what is the sales going on, so that I done this project. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.